How y'all doing? Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. Feathers up, we're not just talking it, we're actually living in American pride. Um, you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration, or you can DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. Yeah, we also got a business course for you guys who don't have a business, or if you guys do have a business and you further want to enhance it, we got that for you in the description box. Best business course I've ever taken. I'm not gonna lie to you. I wanted to say this too. We also got one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. This is artwork that you've seen us craft on this channel. You guys seen it in our YouTube videos. Go in the playlist, look at art, and go and look at the playlist art mask making, And even seashell art as well. We've done that. Got a lot of great things too. And we also got a one-of-a-kind apparel. We got hats, caps, strap backs, hoodies, socks. It's all at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Go ahead and check us out. But like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share. It is a great day. You know what? And I gotta tell you, that's just 2 days. 2 days, bro. 2 days left of this 10-day dry fast. We're doing this over for a week. This is amazing. It's that how powerful all we temptations are, like fighting temptations. I did have strong temptations. And being right now, I'm able to talk with you guys because my mouth has been getting dry. At the mouth for a while, went to brush my mouth. Rinse out occasionally, rinse out a few times actually. A lot of times, I'm gonna lie to you. Probably should rinse out now. In times I've been hot, I've expressed it to y'all or not. And then too, I wanted to show y'all my ear. I guess I can't show y'all, but I told y'all my earring. It was orange. It was orange like at one time. My body's fighting off stuff like for real. I'm growing, and I think I recognize that this is too, because there'll be times I wanted to do something, but I couldn't necessarily do it because my body, by fasting, is healing itself. It's taking precedence of what has to be done. This right here don't have to be done. You got to be done. You got to be healed. Your health is more important. And that's what I realized this fast is telling me. And it's kind of strange at first because orange urine really means something else if you weren't fasting. But being I am fasting, I feel great. Like I'm able to talk to y'all. You know what I'm saying? I was just cooking. I was just making batches of tea, alkaline tea. Got down the recipe. That's why I'm getting so much creative thought. Like what the frick? I literally been writing down three recipes, and then I made a fourth one. It was just simple. I said, "Yo, I'm getting real creative on this mug. I'm getting better access to thinking and whatnot. I got 2 more days of this. It's been like 8 minutes past since my 2-day mark. Trying to figure out what else am I gonna do. I do got stuff I'm gonna do. I know I gotta do my hair. I was thinking about going to the store so I can get me some watermelon, some ripe watermelon with the seeds in it. Man, that's what I've been craving. If I go to the apple orchard too, if I told y'all that, and they can pick some cherries. If I go to the apple orchard and they just got a feed and you basically, what you can put in the bag, you can have, I'm going crazy. I ain't playing with y'all. One of the things about this fast is like, too, I noticed that, I said I've been more decisive, making more decisions, been doing things that I haven't. Y'all even seen when I was doing my hair. I screamed and yelled at a narcissist that was being the adjutant. And today I had said something to a narcissist that was being an adjutant. The narcissist always doing the narcissistic stare. I said, what the frick you looking at? I'm like, God dang. I ain't never seen a bitch ass nigga so worried about what I'm doing. Whole ass nigga steady looking left or right. You ain't got no life of your own. Frick that. Bitch ass nigga. it just so want to make a scene everything. Because I got clean clothes. I got a basket up, so I got another basket side. It's a lot of space to walk by, a lot. You can break dance, do a handstand, spin on the back of your head, all day on the motherfucking ground if you want to. But this motherfucker right here, he sees the basket. He goes, pushes it. I'm sorry, shoves it hard as hell. Like it's such a big obstacle that's in his way. I was just like, what a faggot. What a just a bitch ass Negro. I'm about to go rinse my mouth, y'all, so I can keep talking to y'all. Y'all might be able to see this. Just rinse and spit. All right, that right there takes discipline. To be doing this for 8 days and not drink anything, not eat anything, that right there takes discipline. To not gobble nothing. I've had urges and whatnot. But hey, man is out here on the mission. I'm just thinking like, what the frick a nigga gonna do in these next 2 days? I guess it's just supposed to relax or not. I have felt like some tightness and whatever in my stomach. Like I got that now. You know, going to sleep, it's like my body like, yeah, you don't need to go to sleep, but you need rest. If you have trouble comprehending that, I don't know why. You will find out during this fast. I told y'all, man. I mean, just lay down, because you really can't do much else. Can't really do any healthy living. You can't exercise at the ways that you wanted to, and the exercise that you usually might do. So, just do that. Sorry, y'all. But I just finished reading this book, 30 Days. This is the book from the course I was telling y'all about in the beginning, Start a Business. If you could have a business, you further want to enhance it, it's in the description box below. It comes with a package of this book. A really great book, been reading in it. I'm telling y'all, I'm actually done this stuff. I recommend it to you. Y'all can't get this book by itself. You got to get it with the package, the course. You dig? That's in the description box. You know, I had to get some coolness. That shit was cool at times. So something about that cold air just so refreshing to me. I was taking cold showers. I was taking baths. Bro, I ain't never took baths. The only thing I ever took was showers. I've been taking baths. Sometimes a little bit hot, but I've been like getting it cold. Just cold water. Keep me cool. Sometimes I've been spritzing myself in the face like just like that to feel good, put on my neck. You know what I'm saying? Like just to keep me cool. On my stomach at times. Yeah, my stomach isn't doing this thing where it's like tightening. It's like there's nothing else there. But it keeps retracting, you know what I'm saying? My stomach is looking small as it ever been. My waist too. Boxer briefs. You know, I gotta fold them a little more to have them fit on my waist. It's just like, shoot. Y'all may think the spraying the waters that was weird or whatever, but if y'all haven't done the fasting itself, y'all gonna be like, y'all might do more. Y'all might do the ice bucket challenge. You dipping your head in there. Just, I don't blame you because I know the feeling, bro. I know the feeling, for real. You know, I got a lot of muscles and stuff I'm not using per se, but it's stuff that's healing. Like right now, my voice. Y'all know from the sounds of the video, I don't usually sound like this. But hey, is it? And I'm still doing work in the 10X challenge, VIP and stuff. And you know, something too, I might as well say this for another video, but my connection has been off. The Wi-Fi connection in the build has been off. It's been like for like 2 days or so. They said they was to have the internet provider come out and check it out today. Who knows? And then they canceled my LG, 4G, 3G. I can't use none of that on my cellular device. So I'm just like, whatever. This is meant for me to be in tune and just deal with this as is. Deal with this fast as is. I take it as a gift. Like I said, I just finished reading this whole book, man. Should have been read this book, but you know, I can act on this book right here, and I can get to another book, how to be a 3% man. Cause I gotta read that book again. I read it at least 4 times, like about 11 more times to read that one. Yeah, it's real serious about that. Still been ordering books. I don't know. I might show y'all later. Cause it's a lot. It's a lot, but yeah. But like I said, y'all want to give it this. Y'all gotta get this book right here. 30 days. Y'all gotta get the course in the description box. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation. Somebody who's actually fasting, knows the fasting is near to the subject of health. I'm not taking no pills, no injections. This is natural right here. This is holistic, you dig? So yeah, book a coaching session with us. Send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com with the subject coaching, or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. Or follow us. We post on our regular there. Oh yeah, we got our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well as our amazing apparel, hats, caps, strap backs, socks, hoodies. Yeah, we got a lot. Hit the like, comment, subscribe button, share, and hit the bell notification. Peace.